Hey, come along and see what I got from Dollar General, Days of Beauty. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel, Sincerely Anise Chanel. I am Anise for those of you who do not know. If you're new here, thank you for joining. Press that subscribe button. I hope that you enjoy it and follow along. For those of you who've already been here, what's up? So this is not a late night wash night. I'm not doing my hair. As you can see, it's already done. Look at the edges. Baby, they're laid. I'm cute. You see me. Yeah, so this came in the mail. Shop Dollar General, Days of Beauty. When I say I have the best, I ain't gonna say the best luck, but I always run across giveaways. It don't matter what's going on. I literally will be scrolling through social medias and see a giveaway for a page I'm not even following. It can be whatever. I've won tickets to the fair, like family tickets to the fair. I've won different prizes. I won tickets to see Beyonce. That's a whole nother story, and that was lit. Did we go to the show that I won the tickets for? No, because we already have tickets. We went to go see Beyonce in Miami for On the Run 2. So there was no need to take those tickets because where the seats were, like I said, no, so I'm getting off topic. Anyway, because I'm patiently waiting to pop up in one of these videos. You know, I feel some type of way that I was not put into her first TikTok, but I'm comfy, B. Don't worry about that. You ain't got to worry. You ain't got to worry about me. Came across this. I think they were giving away for the first 5,000 people that signed up for it. Got a free box, so I was like, yeah, I'm gonna throw my name in there. See what happens. Well, came in the mail probably like 2 days ago. I have not had the chance to sit down in front of the camera to do this, but I wanted to go through the box and see what's in it. So I want you guys to see too. Let's see. So this will be my first look because I have not opened it. It's still taped. As you can tell, I'm struggling to open the doggone box. Okay. Guess I should have got some scissors to cut the tape. As long as I don't break my nail, we good to go. It might be sped up. Yeah. It's open now. Okay. It's you see? It's open. Okay. Got a little message on the inside. Sorry if I hit the mic. Hello, beauty lovers. Alright, let's see. This box is heavy. It definitely ain't light. Let's see what we got. Alright. So, okay. Alright. African Pride, I do use them, so okay. This is the coconut oil and I always say this wrong. I'm not gonna say that word. It starts with a B. Just trust me on it. Anyway, hydrate and strengthen leave-in cream. Cause Lord knows I need to wash my hair. It looks cute. It's on point, but it needs to be washed. It ain't been washed in about a week, probably. I don't know. I know this light is like bright, so I don't know that. There you go. Okay. Come on, leave-in conditioner. Now you can't give me leave-in cream without no type of product with it now. But thank you, Dollar General. Thank you. I see y'all. Okay. Separate. Ooh, African shea butter. Okay. Come on, makeup remover, cause yes. Okay. Black Jamaican castor oil, leave-in deep conditioner. And I'm here for it. Because Lord knows I had need some scrunchies. I really want to master a wash and go, and I have yet to do that. And I just was looking for some scrunchies because I needed to separate my hair so I can try to get it bigger. And here we go. And I didn't even have to go to the store for it. Thank you. Okay, we got Shea Moisture, Coconut and Hibiscus Curl Enhancer Smoothie. I used to use this a lot when I was transitioning. Shea Moisture was my way to go. I haven't used Shea Moisture in a long time. We might try it out again. See what they looking like. Come on, hard as nails. Obviously, I get my nails done. But this is gonna be for my toes. Since I don't really get my toes done like that anymore. Yeah, the guy that did my toes last summer drilled my toenails like excessively to where I think it may have damaged the nail because I have like a slight dent in the nail. Where did that come from? So therefore I don't trust them anymore, and I want my nail to grow back healthy, so I have just left them alone. Okay, exfoliating pads. Come on, cover girl. Love me some mascara. Insert Alexa, please play Jasmine Sullivan mascara. Now, I don't normally wear headscarves, but there may come a day where I might need it, so I ain't gonna knock it. It's not normally my look, but there might come a day. Okay. Never heard this brand. Urban Hydration Jamaican castor oil. Moisturize and style lotion. Okay. I have to look into this one. I've never heard of this brand. I have to look into that one. Come on, Eco Star Gel. First of all, I got the tubs, so I mean, I got. But this is on the go. I can put this in my purse because I can't carry them big behinds want me every day. All right, we got some foundation. This is not my shade, so I low-key feel like if they were gonna throw foundation in the box, they should have had like a. They can't do that for everybody. If they were giving away 5,000 boxes, they can't do that for everybody. But at least a test of a general box. Like they know what type of box to send out to this group, to that group. Thank you. Just like maybe a poll so they can have idea of who to ship to what. First of all, I got this mascara. Granted, it's the big one, but I guess this is like a sample one. Oh yeah, this will go in my purse. It's cool for when I forget my mascara or I'm running on the go. Yeah. But she does the job. I actually have the spray. Do I use it? No. I think I bought it because I wanted to try a wig. I haven't done it yet. It's on the list of things to do. So my sister actually uses my spray. I will still hold on to this for whatever in the future. Hey girl. Come on. Got some lotion. All right. Ooh, okay. Aunt Jackie's Curl La La. I actually have a few products of Aunt Jackie's. It's been a minute since I've used them, but I do have a few products. So definitely will put that back in rotation. Let's see what else is this. I already have this. Thank you for an additional one because my family my sister and my mother No, so I'm gonna have to hide this one. This will have to be in my purse in case I ever need it, along with my travel size gel. So yeah, cause they be taking over my stuff. If y'all don't go buy one, love y'all. Let's see. Okay. I'm gonna give this to a little girl because I don't seem particularly me, but this is pretty. It's pink. It gives a good middle school, maybe. Yeah, it gives that. All right, and we got Joy, the pink one. I have not used a razor blade in years. I can't tell you the last time I have used a razor blade. Baby, it is Nair, because I don't feel like all that. Though I have heard good things about this. So I'm gonna have to test this one out. I've heard good things about this, but I have not actually used it because I don't feel like shaving. Let's go ahead and just put the spray on and let it sit and wipe that sucker off and go on by my day. I got things to do. I ain't got time to be in the shower for 40 minutes on shaving legs and getting smooth all over the place. No. But we're gonna try this out and see if that makes a difference. I may do a test, Nair versus Joy. See who wins. Okay, and that was the end of my box. I am very excited. I have some new products that I've never heard of before that I can try out. I can look into their brand and see what else they got. I'm sorry, I hope I did not belch. Like, I feel like I have to burp. But anyway, yeah, so I'm very excited to try out these products. I have come across new products I've never heard of before. I can check out their brands, look to see what they have to offer, and then we can test them out here. Obviously, and do new styles. Like I said, I want to do a wash and go. I've never been able to do one, or at least perfect it, because every time I do it, I think I end up making it coils. Like, I kind of always do this and it don't give the same effect when I see the other girls do theirs. So that is definitely something on the list. I need to learn how to flat twist. Like, that's a flex. If you're able to do that, your whole head, that's a flex. I can't do it. I have not even mastered cornrows. Don't you judge me. I feel it through the phone. Don't you judge me. I have not cornrowed my own hair. I haven't mastered that yet. Can I braid? Yes, but I cannot cornrow to the scalp. Oh, it's lumpy. It's loose. It's bad. Yeah. We're gonna learn. We're gonna get there. But yeah, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this short video on what I got from Dollar General, and go check their page out. Like, again, it's gonna be Dollar General Beauty on Instagram. So at Dollar General Beauty. Check out, I know they have some live streams going up, some tutorials from different natural hair influences or influencers or other influencers from what I've seen. I came across the giveaway from, I believe her name was De La Soul. I'm probably saying that wrong. I will have to insert that somewhere. But I am following her. I think when I first decided to go natural, I was watching a lot of her videos. So, and I love her hair. Her colors always look so good. With my color right now, kind of altered the pattern of my hair, so I'm not too happy right now. But we're gonna grow it back. We're gonna get it back to where it was. You know, don't even get me started. Another story. Love the color. It just jacked my hair. But her hair is bomb. So go check her out if you've never seen her. But I hope you guys enjoyed. Come back for more. I will definitely be trying out some of these products, so hit that bell so you can be notified every time I drop, and I will catch y'all later.